Hey guys, it's Travis Wallen, the service guru at the Service Shack. With the outbreak of COVID-19, we're getting a ton of calls on how to convert your half-pack commercial front loader into an automated front loader so you can tackle residential collection and even bulk collection while remaining safely in the cab. This allows you to use your existing fleet while keeping your operational costs down. With so many folks social distancing and working from home, commercial collection is down, but residential collection volumes are through the roof. That's why we wanted to quickly provide you with a tip, which is to simply contact your local dealer and provide the necessary information needed to get the Curotto-Can Retrofit kit appropriate for your chassis body configuration. We can even get your non-Heil trucks set up as well. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions, and for those that aren't as well equipped to handle the installation, we'll be creating a Service Shack video regarding the residential retrofit in the near future. Remember, we're always here to help, and we're all in this together.